Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I want to share you a trick of that how you set your phone to automatically extend to the right edge of the canvas. So firstly, let me show you what's the issue. Okay, you can see here, in this screen, I just insert this form. It's form 2. I insert the form, then, well, you can see from this screen, we can see, okay, the right edge is close to the canvas right edge, right? It's perfect. Okay, let's have a preview. Well, you can see there are two sizes in preview. One is window size, the other is canvas size. The canvas size is good, right? It's just same with what we saw in the edit page, but in window size, it's awful, right? It's nearly half margin of the page. So if you use this Power App in your Power Apps software or on your mobile phone, it's fine. But if you want to use the Power App in the Teams, the user will use the computer, the laptop. Okay, use the web, the Windows. Well, it could be a problem, right? So let me show you how to solve this problem. Okay, let's go to the next screen. Okay, this screen I have figured out how to make it. Okay, let me show you. Firstly, I think the key important is that the width and height. Okay, this form is form 1. Let's choose this one. Just remember, choose the form 1, not the dead card, right? Choose the form 1. Then go to the width. You can see what I said. It's parent width. Parent is the canvas background. So I use the parent width minus the data table 1. Data table 1 is this table. Table 1's width. That means use the total width minus this one, then minus 60. The 60 is the margin. I should keep some margin between the left edge and the table 1, and the right edge to the form 1, right? So that's it. That's the width, right? And let's see the height. Okay, the height is the parent height. Well, there's no other form on the y in the y direction, right? Okay, we use the parent height minus 60. The 60 is the two margins with height. So yeah, just keep it. There's some margin, yeah, on the top or at the bottom. So let's have a look. Right? It's done. We make it, right? And this is the window size. Let's go to the canvas size. Perfect. So, well, that's it. That's my experience. I spent a lot of time to figure it out. Hopefully it could be helpful to you to save your time. And if you have any questions, just give me some comments below. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day.